Hello, welcome to your physical education class. My name is Mrs. Meredith, and I will be teaching you one semester or both semesters. You are either sixth graders transitioning from elementary school to middle school or eighth graders thrilled to be moving forward. Sixth graders are presently enrolled in the class identified as MJ Fitness. You will be involved in a lot of exciting activities. The program is designed for 18 weeks. The first semester is from August to December. The second semester is going to be equally exciting. You will be enrolled in the class identified as MJ Gymnastics and Dance. You will participate in many exciting activities, have a chance to display your creativity, and even learn how to line dance. My eighth grade program is designed for 18 weeks. Students will take this course either first or second semester. They will participate in individual and dual sports activities. There are signs posted on the walls of the gym leading to the boys' and girls' locker rooms, letting students know what we are doing on that day. We also post the number of days left in school. It is a tradition that both the students and staff enjoy. Things needed for class. You will need shorts of appropriate length, no jean shorts, cutoffs, or cargo pants. You will need a plain white t-shirt. Also, you will need sneakers. No backless shoes are allowed. You will need a gym lock. We will provide that lock at no cost. However, you must pay for it if it is lost. You must dress out daily unless you are told not to. You will receive 10 points per day, 50 points per week, and your grades are posted weekly. To be excused from dressing out, you will need a note from your parent or guardian, and it is good for 2 days. You will need a doctor's note if it's for 3 days or more. You may contact me by phone or email if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for coming, and I'm looking forward to a great year with your child.